is a Sholei matter which I decided.
Yes.
And I remember those very words from one judge who sat in that Court of Appeal panel, which dealt with that decision in the Sholei matter. And the way I understand the role of a Court of Appeal judge, and we have a lot of writings on that. Sorry. My understanding of the role of a Court of Appeal judge, Court of Appeal judge should never ever be involved in that kind of frolic about a judge who handled a matter below him. To me, that was completely out of step.